We are back again. Today we present our boat journey in the Budatangar Dam. A journey by boat is always very pleasant. It has a charm of its own. Boat trip provides a lot of fun, especially when it is with the whole family. Last summer, I had the opportunity to go to the Budatangar Dam and enjoy a boat journey. Budatangar is a picturesque dam located 10 kilometers away from Kotamangalam in the district of Ernakulam. This eco destination unveils before you the spectacular view of nature, like towering hills, rocks, forests, migratory birds, and wild animals, and also the mighty flowing Periyar River. Periyar flows like a vast chain in the lush green valley that spreads over several acres. With eye-pleasing scenery and comfortable climate, it is a spot suited for tourism during summer and monsoon seasons. The boat was quite spacious. All of us and some relatives got into the boat. Boating through the Periyar is the best way to explore the wilderness of this area. And on the way, you can see Tattekad Bird Sanctuary, Cholamalai, Tattekad Temple, and Tattekad Bridge, etc. It was evening and cloudy. The scenery was very beautiful. There were not many boats as it reached closing time. Rain started pouring and wind started blowing heavily. The boatman had to stop the boat behind some trees to be safe, waiting to calm the wind and the rain. We could also see a few speedboats. The tall coconut trees, still housed against the sky, made a beautiful sea. The view was breathtakingly beautiful. Time flew, and very soon the 1 hour was over. The boatman brought us back to the shore. We enjoyed every single minute of the boat ride. It was really wonderful. The memory still mesmerizes me. Drop in and enjoy Budatangar Dam and its beauty.
subscribe our channel. Take a break and